We've been asked to estimate the solution of the following system of equations using the graphical method. And the simplest way to do this, again, is to take this equation and set it into slope-intercept form. Now, this equation here is already in slope-intercept form. Y is by itself. My second equation, however, is not. And so what I need to do is I need to put it in slope-intercept form. So I have 3x plus y equals 12. And what I want to do is I want to solve that equation for y. Well, the easiest way to do that is to take 3x and move it to the right-hand side. And since it's positive, I'm going to subtract. So if I subtract 3x from both sides, I get negative 3x plus 12. And so immediately, what do I see? The slope is negative 3, and the y-intercept is positive 12. Now, going back to my problem, that equation, y equals negative 3x plus 12, I noticed something funny. This equation is y equals negative 3x plus 12. And when I rearrange this equation, I get y equals negative 3x plus 12. They are the same equation. Okay? So now I need to do two things. The first thing I need to do is I need to graph these two equations. So I go over to my graphing tool. And they're going to make straight lines. So I click on the straight line. And the y-intercept is 12, so I go all the way up to 12 and I click. Now to make a line, you have to have 2 points. I use my slope to find my second point. The slope is negative 3. If you write negative 3 as a fraction, that's negative 3 over 1. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, and then to the right, 1 place. And I click. And that's my first line. If I click check answer right now, I'm going to get a big red box that says no, because I have to graph both lines. Even though they both are the same line, I have to graph both lines. So I click on my line tool and I click the same point 12 and the same point there, which is 1, 9. Okay, so I've graphed both lines now and I click check answer. And you see it tells me that I got the answer correct. Okay? Now, it throws up the second part of the question. And the second part of the question says, for the solution, select the correct choice below, and if necessary, fill in the answer box. Now, I have 3 choices. There is one solution, and give an ordered pair. There are infinitely many solutions, or there is no solution. Now, when the two lines are on top of each other, this is a dependent system, and there are infinite solutions. Okay, there are infinite solutions. So I'm going to click here, choice B, and the solution set is the set of all ordered pairs x, comma, blank, where x is any real number. Now, when you look at this, this looks like an ordered pair, x, comma, y. Okay? So they give you x as a variable and they want you to fill in y. And this is really actually pretty simple solution here. What you're going to do is you're going to fill in an equation for y. And if you want that equation for y, it's right here. Negative 3x plus 12. That is what y will equal if you plug in an x value. It will equal negative 3x plus 12. So we're going to put that right where that blinking cursor is. So we're going to type negative 3x plus 12. And click check answer. And it says, well done. Okay? So that's how we do that type of problem in mymathlab. If you have any questions, please let me know.